Jacob looked up and saw Esau approaching with 400 men. Fear gripped his heart as he prepared to meet his brother after years of separation. Jacob divided his family into groups, placing the maidservants and their children first, Leah and her children next, and Rachel with Joseph last. Then he went ahead of them, bowing to the ground 7 times as he approached Esau. But instead of anger, Esau ran to meet Jacob, embraced him, threw his arms around his neck, and kissed him, and they both wept. Esau looked around and asked, "Who are these with you?" Jacob replied, "These are the children God has graciously given your servant." One by one, the maidservants, Leah and Rachel, stepped forward with their children and bowed down before Esau. Jacob offered Esau gifts of livestock, but Esau said, "I already have plenty, my brother. Keep what you have." But Jacob insisted, saying, "If I have found favor in your eyes, accept this gift, for seeing your face is like seeing the face of God, now that you have received me favorably." Finally, Esau accepted the gift. Then Esau said, "Let us be on our way, and I will accompany you." But Jacob replied, "My children and flocks are slow. If we move too fast, they may not survive. Please, my lord, go on ahead, and I will travel at a pace suited for them." Esau agreed and set out for Seir, while Jacob took a different path. Jacob traveled to Shechem, where he set up camp. There he built an altar and called it El Elohe Israel, meaning God, the God of Israel. Jacob feared his reunion with Esau, but God had already prepared Esau's heart for reconciliation. This story reminds us that God can heal broken relationships and bring peace where we expect conflict. Like Jacob, we must trust God's plan and approach others with humility and grace.